Okay, so we're going to do inequalities today, translating and solving/graphing. So Jeff needs at least $21 to attend his class trip. So at least means 21 would work, so we can do an equals to. And then at least he's going to need more than, so we're going to go greater than or equal to. So x is greater than or equal to 21. So on the next problem, let's solve this inequality and then graph it. So same thing as equations, inverse operations apply. So we're going to add 7 to both sides. So 21 is less than negative 3x. Now we're going to divide by negative 3. So now we end up with negative 7, but the problem here is because we divided by that negative 3, we've got to flip that sign. So negative 7 is greater than x, or if you need to rewrite it, x is less than negative 7. So of course draw our line segment or our number line. Put a couple of numbers on there. And let's graph it. So no equal to, open dot. X is less than or smaller than negative 7. So a shade to the left. All right. And this is the last example for this particular one. So we're going to solve and graph a compound inequality. Now, if you have an inequality like the one on the left, whatever you do, you have to do all three parts. So we're going to add 12 to everything. So negative 21 less than or equal to negative 7n less than negative 14. Divided by negative 7. So 21 divided by 7 is 3. And then negative 14 divided by negative 7 is 2. But because we divided by that negative, flip all of our signs. And then if you need to rewrite it, 2 less than n less than or equal to 3. So on the number line, this tells us that our n has to be between 2 and 3. The 2 is an open dot. The 3 is a closed dot. And then it's everywhere in between. But over here on this other example, we've got two separate problems that we've got to worry about there. So solve each one individually, minus 9 on both sides. And then divide by 2. B is less than negative 1. On the other side, however, just solve this one. So negative 5b less than negative 15 divided by negative 5 divided by negative 5. B and 3, but remember we got to flip that sign, is greater than 3. So number line, negative 1 and 3. So B less than negative 1, open dot, shade to the left. B is greater than 3, open dot, and bigger. So this problem, everything went outside, while the other one went inside.